Did you know about 70% of the human body is made up of water? Coincidentally, more than 70% of the earth is covered in water. Let's dive into this mathematical wonder in the Quran. The Arabic word for water, ma, referring to the noun in all its forms, is mentioned 63 times in the Quran, while the word for human, insan, again, referring to the noun in all of its forms, is mentioned 90 times. The surprise here is that 63 is 70% of 90, resulting in a water ratio of 70%. As you may already know, approximately 70% of the human body is made up of water, citing this fact on many reliable scientific sources, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.